The company that is currently positioning itself to replace your broker, your bank, and your investment advisor is a Coinbase. Many investors view Coinbase through the narrow lens of a Bitcoin storefront, a perspective that mirrors the early days of Amazon when it has viewed strictly as a bookstore. The company is actually scaling towards an everything exchange. It's a strategy integrating artificial intelligence, stablecoins, and tokenized assets into one financial ecosystem. According to Coinbase Canada's leadership, these tools are scheduled to roll out within months, forcing a rapid evolution in the way Canadian retail investors interact with their wealth. For years, the company relied on a simple model, charging transaction fees every time a user bought or sold Bitcoin. This dependency has a built-in defect because crypto is cyclical. A price crash causes retail volume to evaporate, stalling revenue. To build a sustainable business, Coinbase is shifting to daily recurring financial services that remain useful even when coin is stagnant. Canada has become the strategic launchpad for this shift. The choice is geographical. Canada possesses one of the most mature and highly regulated crypto environments in the world. We established clear licensing frameworks early on and approved spot Bitcoin ETFs years before they were greenlit in the United States. With the regulatory groundwork already finished, Coinbase is using the Canadian market to test its AI and stablecoin roadmap in real time. The utility of a stablecoin has nothing to do with the price speculation. Its value lies in the efficiency of the transaction itself. Traditional banking infrastructure is slow. Visa cards and bank transfers involve clearinghouse delays that make it difficult for software to execute automated tasks. This chart compares the two paths. While traditional fiat hits friction points at every node, programmable money moves in a direct, instantaneous line. It is a native payment layer for the internet. At the same time, artificial intelligence is gaining the ability to perform complex financial analysis and write code. When these technologies converge, they enable agentic wallets accounts where an agent can hold programmable money directly and execute transactions without a human in the loop. This allows an AI agent to do more than just analyze your portfolio. It can instantly transact to rebalance your holdings automatically. The pairing of AI and programmable money transforms crypto from a speculative asset into an invisible engine that runs the background of everyday finance. CEO Brian Armstrong's ambition is not to compete with other crypto exchanges. His goal is to capture market share from established payment and wealth management giants like PayPal. The vision is a single interface where users manage one balance to trade Bitcoin, buy tokenized stocks, and access commodities. This contrasts with the current fragmented reality for Canadian investors who must navigate separate platforms for banking, ETFs, and options. However, this strategy faces massive hurdles. Traditional banks will fight to defend their market share. Regulators often move with caution, and consolidating every financial service into one app creates significant security vulnerabilities. In 5 years, Coinbase expects to be categorized as a comprehensive digital financial platform. Bitcoin served as an entry point, stablecoins provide the payment rails, tokenized assets represent the investments, and AI acts as the advisor. The ultimate winners for the next decade won't be the platform with the most coins, but the ones that successfully erase the boundaries between traditional finance and crypto. If this plan succeeds, Canadians won't be using Coinbase to buy crypto. They will be using it to manage their entire financial lives. And that is a much larger story than the next market rally. So what do you think about this? For more such Canadian crypto updates, please subscribe to PolarByte channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.